If you're looking to earn over $1,000 a day using ChatGPT and a free AI tool, you're in the right spot. In this video, I'll take you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to start making money online, even if you're a complete beginner and not great with tech. The methods I'll show you today are almost entirely copy-paste, so you don't need to be an expert, own a fancy computer, or even spend any money to get started. Stay tuned, I'll show you a PRO tip on how to make your affiliate links work even better. The first step is to sign up for a free trial of the tool. Now, if you'd rather promote a different tool, that's totally fine. This method works no matter what you're promoting, but for this video, we'll stick with the tool I'm showing you. To get started, head over to GoHighLevel.com. I'll drop the link in the video description. Once you're there, click on Get Our 30-Day Trial, fill in your details, and you're good to go with your free trial. Once you're in your account, the next step is to load something called a snapshot. This is a very important step, so make sure to follow carefully. To do this, press on the link in the description below and fill out the details to get the snapshot. Once you fill out the information on the next page, press the green button to get the GoHighLevel snapshot now. It's like a ready-to-go template that contains everything you need. Pre-written emails, website funnels, landing pages, it's all set up for you. After starting your trial, all you need to do is load this snapshot into your account. Just click on Yes, Import Now, and the snapshot will automatically be added. Then you can apply all these automations, landing pages, and tools to what's known as a sub-account. To create a new sub-account, click on Create New and then select Add Account. Fill in the required details. Don't worry if you don't have a business name. You can just enter something like Test Business. Once you've filled everything out, click Save. This will set up a sub-account that holds all your automations, landing pages, and other essential tools. Now, you'll have access to a collection of proven funnels that you just imported. These funnels are ready to help you promote products, tools, or affiliate offers. You can even use them to sell your own services if you prefer. The best part, this system works for selling just about anything. The key takeaway is that if you want to drive traffic effectively, having a funnel in place is essential. Here you'll notice the button says Claim Your Free High-Level Account. If you have your own affiliate link, you can easily swap this out. Just copy your affiliate link, which you'll get when you create your free account, and paste it into the button. Now, when someone clicks that button, they'll be using your link. If this seems a bit confusing, don't worry. I'll explain everything step by step. The key thing we've done here is set up a way to direct traffic. Whether you're promoting a service, a product, or an affiliate offer, you need a destination for your traffic, a funnel. The mistake many people make is posting content on social media, getting views, and wondering why they aren't making any money. The reason? Views alone don't pay the bills. You need to guide those viewers somewhere useful. A funnel helps you turn those views into real earnings. When you create a social media post, which will generate using ChatGPT, you're going to direct traffic somewhere using that post or video. The best place to send this traffic is to a funnel, ideally one that's already proven to generate income. And that's exactly what we've set up here, a money-making funnel. Now that we have our funnel ready, we've also got automations in place. If you go to the automation section, you'll see all the automations we imported from the snapshot. One key automation is the opt-in automation. Let's find that one. When someone submits their information through your funnel, this opt-in automation kicks in and adds them to an email sequence. This way, you're automatically following up with potential leads, helping you turn traffic into real results. Now, all these emails will include our affiliate links, so you can join to my Skool community to get more tools and blueprints that help me to earn $10,000 a month. You can find the Join Skool link in the description of this video. We're not just directing people to a funnel where they can buy the product we're promoting, we're also setting up an automated email sequence that continues to sell that product for days to come. This way, even after they enter their info, they'll keep getting emails encouraging them to take action and make a purchase. Now, you might be asking, how can I offer this as a service? This is where things get really interesting. Believe it or not, most people don't have a proper funnel. I've come across people with millions of followers who still struggle to make much money online. Why? Because they don't know how to turn their views into income. Look around on TikTok, YouTube, or Facebook, and you'll find tons of creators with big followings who haven't figured out how to monetize them. This is where you come in. You can offer them a done-for-you funnel, one they can plug in and start using right away. In fact, you can copy the funnel I'm sharing with you in this video and provide it to them. Here's the cool part. You can offer this service for free. How? By using your affiliate link for a free trial. For example, with the high-level 14-day free trial link, you can approach influencers or content creators and say, "Hey, I noticed you have a big audience. Are you making good money from your views?" You can easily figure out if someone's monetizing their audience or not. Just check their profile on TikTok, Instagram, or any platform. If they don't have a funnel or an automated email sequence, chances are they're missing out on potential earnings. This is where you come in. You can offer to set up a proven system for them, completely free. Just say something like, "Hey, I noticed you're not maximizing your audience's potential. Would you like me to set up a funnel for you at no cost?" If they agree, you simply ask them to sign up for the free trial you provide. Once they start using the funnel and see leads and sales coming in, they'll want to keep the system running. When their free trial ends and the subscription renews, you get paid. Essentially, you're offering free setups, but you'll make money when they decide to stick with the system after 14 or 30 days, depending on the trial length. How do you actually drive traffic? The answer is AI. Here's the approach. Find top performing posts in your niche. In this case, the AI niche. On social media, look for posts with high engagement, like 97,000 views or 21,000 comments. Once you find those successful posts, you can recreate them with AI tools. For example, use ChatGPT to generate similar posts or video scripts. I personally use ChatGPT daily to write emails, create social media content, and brainstorm ideas. Let's say you find a YouTube video that performed well. Just get the transcription, feed it into ChatGPT, and ask it to rewrite a new script for your next video. You can even ask it to analyze multiple posts and suggest the top 3 AI-generated video titles for your content. The possibilities with AI are endless. The goal is to take successful content ideas, regenerate them using AI, and direct that traffic to your funnel. This funnel should have automated systems that promote your service or product, like the setup service I mentioned earlier. Now here's a PRO tip. Instead of manually posting, use scheduling tools like GoHighLevel or Radar. Create your AI-generated content and schedule posts across multiple platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. For example, you can schedule a video, hit publish, and instantly drive 1,000 to 2,000 people into your funnel. There are so many exciting opportunities to get started with today, and they're already proven to work. People like you are driving massive traffic into funnels, generating tons of leads, and earning thousands per day. To get started, all it takes is loading the same funnel that's already driving all that traffic. Then set up the automation to either start selling the trial or offer a setup service like the one discussed in this video. You'd be surprised how many people want to start selling digital products, building funnels, and setting up automation. It's becoming one of the biggest trends right now, but many don't fully understand it because they don't have the right system in place. But with the right system, it's working. Thousands of clicks are being driven into these funnels every single day, all thanks to leveraging AI to generate traffic. If you want to learn more, just drop a comment, leave a like, subscribe, and join to my Skool community.